Today, I'm sharing with you how to convert shoppable videos into sales on TikTok Shop. We're diving straight into it. And number 3, you definitely want to write down. So number 1, let me give you an example of what a strong hook is, because that's the first thing. Are you tired of paying expensive gym membership fees? Watch this. I canceled my expensive gym membership when I saw this. I am saving so much money working out in the comfort of my own home. Free shipping is included. I'm gonna link it down below. It's important that you know a strong hook keeps the viewer watching and from scrolling away. Number 2, don't just hold the product, show it in use. I did not want smart glasses. I thought these would be the dumbest things walking around, but this is the footage that I got. They have a sleek design, all right? Press one button right here. If it's AI video smart glasses, show you wearing the product. If it's exercise equipment, hop on it, start exercising. People wanna see other people using the product so they can make an informed decision on whether they want to buy it or not. Here is number 3. You definitely wanna write this down. Stop talking to me or anyone who shows up on your feed watching your content like you're a car salesman. If you don't talk to your mom like that or your best friend, why are you talking to me like that? Meaning, do not try to sell me these, hey, check out these glasses right here. They block UV rays. You can actually darken them and lighten them up. You don't talk to your mom like that, right? You don't go to your mom, hey mom, check out these glasses I got. You know, you talk to your mom, mom, I got these glasses, man. I love them because, dude, they're blocking out UV rays. You got to check these out, mom. Look at this. Hey, you can darken these, lighten these. They're flexible so they fit around your face. And mom, I got these for free shipping. Now you're not going to say mom in the video, but you see how the tone is different. You're talking to your best friend. Hey, bestie, this right here, game changer. I was surprised when I put these on. I went outside, it blocked UV rays. I can see clear. It lightens up, when I want to go inside to a place. Totally different tone. You're sounding genuine, authentic. You're not sounding salesy. People can sense when you're trying to sell them something. You don't want to come across like that. Number 4, be someone who actually uses the product. Okay, you're not just trying to sell the product. You don't want to be that person where they can just tell you're just trying to sell it. You're just an affiliate marketer. Hey, I use these every day. This is how it has helped me. This is my experience, my personal testimony. Every day I'm trying this out. Every day I'm putting this outfit on. Every day I'm taking these vitamins, and this is how my life has been so far. Number 5, make sure you are directing people to the link. Hey, click on the shopping cart. You can see down below when you can expect to get it. If there's free shipping included, which there is for you, or, whatever the case is, you want to make sure that you are telling them to do something. Sometimes people like to be told what to do. Check out the shopping cart below. There's a variety of options, sizes, things like that. They want to be, oh, hey, you're giving them something to do. They got a brand new phone. They might want to utilize that phone and click on it. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Number 6, post multiple videos of the product. Sometimes just one video is not going to do it. All right. Post different angles, different highlight features and different videos. That way they see the video in the feed. Okay, seen this before. Oh, but now they're showing me something different. And number 7, one video rarely does the work, so you want to do different angles. Don't do the same videos when you're creating multiple videos in the same sitting. Change from this angle to that angle, change your background, be inside, be in the car, be out at the park. Switch it up a little bit, okay? These are some sure things that will help convert your videos into sales. Trust me, been there, done that. Proven tactics, strategies here, and you will be on your way to selling on TikTok Shop as an affiliate. All right, let me know, comment if this has helped you out. How is your journey going on TikTok Shop? Okay, find me as well. The link is in the description below. And also I have a course if you are wanting to learn how to grow and expand your sales, or maybe you're just new to TikTok Shop as an affiliate and you need some help and guidance. There's a link to my course below. I will see you on the other side.